Nick's gonna have fun at 3 o'clock.
He called me up. I gave him the weather report. I think he canceled the trip. I told him I had 35 or 40 coming over the roof right now in front of Spanish Bay. He said, I gotta call Todd. I don't know why anybody would come out right now up here and wash them off. I would say it's blowing 45 right now, close to 50.
I gotta try to park this thing on one motor. Unbelievable.
Really? You cut it wide, man. Don't be hugging the shoreline.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep this thing going straight here.
That's what's, well, the good thing is, you get it spun around, it's gonna blow you right under the pier there, you know? I mean, it's whistling Dixie here right now. I mean, it's blowing over 40 here, easy. Of course, good travel.
It says rail pressure. I don't know what rail pressure means.
Makes you plug your fuel filter. Low rail pressure.
That's what it says.
Is it still running?
Oh no, I lost it. I lost port in.
I plugged the fuel filter the other day. Call John Boy for advice. I don't know.
That meet me at the dock there.
Hey, we'll cut it wide so in case something else goes wrong, everybody's got time to get a rope on you.
You have an anemometer on board, Dookie?
No, I don't need an ammometer. That's for beginners. I estimate it over. So if I say it's blowing 50, it's probably blowing at least that or more over.
Wow.
I mean, it's
I'm gonna call John Boy when I get to Lowers Point and get a weather update.